Hello friends, welcome to Free Grammar Lessons. In this video, we will learn how to convert an assertive or declarative sentence to interrogative sentence without changing the meaning of the sentence. We will first understand what is an assertive and interrogative sentence. Then, I will let you know how to convert an assertive sentence to interrogative sentence with examples. And I will give you an exercise at the end of the video for practice. So, without a further go, let's get started. What is an assertive sentence? Assertive sentence tells information or states a fact. It ends with a period. It can be both affirmative or positive and negative in meaning. Let me give you an example of affirmative sentence. Dhoni is a great player. Now, let me give you an example of negative sentence. The sandwich was not tasty. Here you can see that the meaning is negative. So it's a negative sentence. Now let's look into interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentences ask a question. They end with a question mark. Let me give you an example of an interrogative sentence. Isn't Dhoni a great player? Here you can see the sentence is in question form. Let me give you one more example of interrogative sentence. Was the sandwich tasty? Here also you can see the sentence is in question form. Now let's understand how to convert an assertive sentence to interrogative sentence without changing the meaning of the sentence. There are two simple steps involved in the conversion. Step number 1. If the sentence is affirmative or positive, then convert it into negative, and if negative, then convert it into positive sentence. Step 2. Move the helping verb to the first position in the sentence. We will look into the examples that we just saw and understand how these steps were used. Example number 1. Dhoni is a great player. As the sentence is in affirmative form, we will convert it into negative form. After applying step 1, the sentence will be Dhoni is not a great player. Now, moving the helping verb to the first position in the sentence along with the negation, which is step 2, the sentence will be Isn't Dhoni a great player? And this is how we convert an assertive sentence to interrogative sentence. Let me give you one more example that we just saw previously. The sandwich was not tasty. As the sentence is in negative form, we will convert it into affirmative form. After applying the step 1, the sentence will be the sandwich was tasty. Now moving the helping or auxiliary verb to the first position in the sentence, which is step 2, the sentence will be was the sandwich tasty? So now you got an idea how to convert an assertive sentence to interrogative sentence. Now let's look into different cases that needs to be kept in mind while converting an assertive sentence to interrogative. Case number 1. If the helping verb is not provided, we check the tense of the sentence and accordingly add the helping verb. Generally, these helping verbs are do, does, did. Let's look into an example. He plays cricket. Here, as the sentence is in simple present and the pronoun he is used, we use the helping verb does. After applying the step 1, the sentence is he does not play cricket. After applying step 2, the sentence will be doesn't he play cricket? Let's look into case 2. Sentences where never is used, it will be converted to ever, and where no is used, it will be converted to any. Let's look into examples of this kind of sentences. Ajay will never forget my kindness. Now converting it to interrogative sentence after applying both the steps, it will be will Ajay ever forget my kindness? Notice the word never converted into ever. Let's look into next example. No one knows you. Converting it to interrogative sentence, the sentence will become does anyone know you? Notice no is converted to any. Let's look into one more case. Case 3. Sentences where everybody, everyone, all is used, it will be converted to who plus don't, doesn't, didn't. Let's look into example. Everybody likes to become great. Now converting it to interrogative sentence, it will be who doesn't like to be great. We can also convert it in the way that we just learned. So after applying step 1 and 2, the sentence will be does everybody not like to be great? Both the forms are correct here. Now we have understood how to convert an assertive sentence to interrogative sentence. Let me give you an exercise. Here you have to convert assertive sentence to interrogative sentence. The sentences are First, that was not an example to be followed. Second, there is nothing better than a busy life. Third, no one likes bad order. Please message me the answer in the comment section. I will be waiting. That's all in this video. Let's quickly revise what we learned in this lesson. Firstly, we understood what is an assertive sentence and interrogative sentence. Assertive sentence tells information and they end with a period. Interrogative sentence asks a question and they end with a question mark. Then we understood the conversion from assertive to interrogative sentence. The conversion involves two simple steps. Step 1. If the sentence is in affirmative or positive form, convert it into negative. And if it is in negative form, then convert it into positive. And step 2 is to move the helping verb to the first position in the sentence. Then we understood different cases. And finally, I gave you an exercise where you need to convert an assertive sentence to interrogative sentence. That's all in this video. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or suggestions related to the lesson, please write in the comment section. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. Do share the video so others can learn, and do subscribe to this channel and also press the bell icon to get regular updates about the course we will make in the next video. Till then, goodbye.